Chau Makazarangis, it's Haks, and we are back with another banger. Just before we start the video, make sure, if you haven't already, go down, type Hakupa, you are the best person in the world, so I can like your comment, okay? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you don't, today we are reacting to Te Whanau o Te Maro Hauhake. These fellas were the third place winners, so expectations already high. I'm sorry. I'm looking forward to it. Yes, I did watch the Tita, by the way. And they were trash. I'm joking. They were tough. But we won't talk about it. You just watch, eh? Good. Okay. Okay. Choreography tough. Oh, yo. I wanted to see it, bro. Tough. I don't think you understand the level that these fellas are performing at. Gee, and these fellas placed third. Cars. First and second must have been they. Cars. Brother, did you see that? Did we see the same thing? Did you see that moving? I don't think you did. I think you need to go back at, and I think you need to watch it again. Hopefully one day I can meet these fellas. These fellas are legends. More te time. Here we go. Wow, you can hear the tane. And it sounds quiet, but you can hear them doing their karaua voice there. It sounds like high pitched because, you know, but it almost sounds like it's there, cuz. Facials are on as too. Oh, more teatea on. Facials were on, everyone's beaming. There was a few, you know, here and there. But the karaua voice for the tane, considering how young they are, that was tough. It was short too, so it didn't get boring. If you had it like 10 seconds longer, I wouldn't have liked it, to be honest. And that's just facts, Everyone gets sick of more teatea. What are we up to now? We up to aringa? Aringa or the poi? Oh, poi. This one's for you ladies. Listen to them, man. Oh my days. Can you hear that? Dude. Dude. Oh. Bro, that sounds tough. Nice. That note suits him so well now. Go back. Here we go. So far, mind you, I haven't watched too much Manukuratai ever in my life actually. But so far, this ropu when it comes to tane singing, these fellas are pretty good, Not so much the solo side because we haven't seen that side yet, obviously. As a whole, they're not consistently flat. Waitaringa. Listen to that, bro. Hello? Wait. Oh. Oh. That's tough, bro. That was tough. This one's for you, Tani. Ah, she's a beast, eh? Te kai tāta ki wahine. Herf. I'm locked in. Ah. Ah, he's a little beast, eh? We gotta get him famous too. We gotta get all these kids famous, gee. Yeah. Whakawātea. Nice. Oh my gosh. Drums! That waiata for the whakawatia, probably my favourite part of the whole bracket, because it made me feel like I was levitating. G, that was tough. That was tough as. Kaitata Kitane and Wahine, bro, head off to yous. Yous are tough. Yous are mean. Yous are just, yous are owning it, G, and that's not a very easy thing to do. Keep that up, G. Keep that up. Love this ropu, and hopefully one day, G, same with every other ropu I react to. I hope I meet you fellas one day, and if you ever see me, G, just say up to. I'm the fanboy. Yous are the legends, okay? Other than that, hope you enjoyed this video, bro. This is tough. Please don't stop. Please don't ever, every single one of you on the stage, please don't ever stop doing Kapa Haka. It would suck to not have someone like yous performing in the ropu. Anyway, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yo, until next time. Sure.